Hi guys. Riley is studying. So, you're using your nose to smell. Sabi
Come
ba?
here. Oh, guys. Want to read with me? Okay. Come here. Okay. You want to read?
You want to study? Come here. Oh.
You want to study?
These are the objects with a good smell. Oh, the barbecue. Does it smells good?
Yes.
Yes. How about the lemon?
Yes.
How about the perfume?
No.
Perfume, the pabango that you put in your damit?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, this thing smells bad now.
Yes.
The trash can smells bad?
Yes.
Yes. How about the pig?
No.
Does it smells bad?
No. No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
There's a taki in there.
No.
There's a taki in there. A poo-poo.
No.
It smells bad or it smells good? The poo-poo. How about you?
It's good.
It's good. Oh my God.
I'll eat it.
It says, you put check with the objects that smells good. Does lemon smells good?
Yeah.
Yes. Check. Does the pig smells good?
Yes.
Yes. How about Bran? The pig smells good?
No.
No. X. Does the rat smells good?
Yeah. No. Yes.
What is the answer? Rat. The rat. Ew.
Yes. Yes.
Huh? Oh my gosh! The rat smells good! It smells so bad! How about the soap? Does it smell good?
Yes.
Yes! Check! How about the perfume? That smells good?
Yes.
Yes! How about the trash can?
Yes.
What? The trash can? Oh, you're always answering yes, huh? Oh. I have a tongue to taste the food that are sweet. These are the food that are sweet. First, we have cake. The sweet is cake or not?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. The cupcakes are sweet or not?
Yes. No. Yes.
Chocolates are sweet or not?
Yes. Yes.
Ice cream is sweet or not?
Yes. Yes.
Ice cream? Alright?
Yeah.
And the candy. How about the candy?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Okay.
The good one?
Yeah. These are the sour. The lemon is sour.
Yes. Yes.
Tamarind is sour.
Yes. Yes.
How about the orange?
Yes. Yes.
How about the juice?
Yes. Yes. No. No.
Yes. How about the vinegar?
No. No.
No.
Yes. Yes. No.
These are the foods that are salty. Salty.
That's bad food?
No, it's not bad, but it will be bad if you're eating too much, okay? The salt is salty?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. The fish is salty?
Yes. Yes.
The fish sauce is salty?
Yes.
Nabubulol na ako.
Yes. Yes.
The soy sauce is salty?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. How about bitter? Do you want ampalaya?
Yes.
Weh.
No.
Talaga ba? The bitter melon is bitter?
Yes.
Yes.
No.
No.
No. No.
No. No. How about spicy?
No.
Are you eating?
No.
Are you?
No. No.
Wait. Are you eating spicy food?
No. No.
No, you don't like. You're not eating ginger.
No.
How about pepper?
No.
How about pepper?
Yes.
How about bell pepper?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
No.
Which are the foods that are sweet? You choose now the foods that are sweet. Is the orange sweet? The orange is sweet.
Yes.
Orange?
Yeah. Yes.
The orange?
Yeah.
Sweet or sour?
Sweet.
Sweet. Are you sure?
Yes.
How about ice cream?
Yes.
Is ice cream sweet bread? Ice cream is sweet or not?
No.
No?
But it's not today. Yes. Is that ice cream is good?
Yeah. The tamarind is sweet?
Yes. No.
No. The cupcake is sweet?
Yes.
The vinegar is sweet?
No.
The ice cream is sweet?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Oh. I have an ears to hear. What is the use of the ear?
To hear you.
To hear me. Okay, very good. Objects with soft sounds. The bike, the violin, and the telephone. Objects with a loud sound. The truck. What do you say when you saw the truck?
I say Papa Dude.
How about... Okay. The bell has a loud sounds also, and the motorcycle.
It says
Yeah.
and bell down. Okay, this is
Okay.
all
Ah.
the cards.
The teacher says, you choose the objects that gives the loud sound. Oh. Where are the objects that gives a loud sound?
It's the truck
The truck?
and the phone.
No.
And what's that?
It's the telephone.
Telephone.
It gives soft sounds only.
Okay. Telephone.
Yeah.
Motorcycle. Bike. Car. Guitar.
Guitar. It's not guitar. It's a violin.
Violin. Okay. Let's try again.
Oh, I have...
Kuya, where's Mommy?
Oh, no.